This video goes out to Maddie Landry. Before you can understand the significance of this, you first need to know where it all started. Survives right together. January 6th, I moved to Florence, Italy to study abroad with Florida State. Today is the day that I fly out to Italy for 8 months. And we were doing long distance. And long distance isn't easy, especially being halfway around the world from each other. It's not like we could get in a car and drive a couple hours and be able to see each other.
Look, you see how I'm wearing my H necklace?
And this went on for over 3 months. Things got tough. However, everything changed on April 3rd, 2021. The Florida State IP office told us that we could go home. They just told the Florida State IP kids that we can come back and we have to return by the 9th of May. $1,400 ticket. The main reason that we got sent home was because of Red Zone, and I made a couple videos on those. If you want to check those out, here they are. As soon as they told us that we could go home, I immediately thought of her. I was going to surprise her, she was going to have no idea, and it was going to be the best day ever. I'm not telling Maddie, more importantly. Just like that, baby. We're going home. So here's where the story begins. No more backstory. First starts out with the COVID test. All right, Maddie, I'm out here getting my COVID test. And then I'm going to skip a few days until April 9th to where I do. It's about 9 o'clock on April 9th, 2021. It's been 3 months and 3 days since I've seen you, Maddie. So obviously I wasn't going to ghost Maddie for a 24-hour period. So I told her that my phone was broken, which was a complete lie. I told her that I had to get my battery repaired at the Apple Store, and that it had to stay there overnight. Of course, obviously, I was going to put off packing until the very last possible moment. And Will is already all packed up. Now, the bad thing about going home is that I first had to wake up for a bus at 4:30 in the morning to take us from Florence all the way to Rome. Then, once I got to Rome, I'd be able to fly from Rome back to home. The bus picks us up in like 2 hours and 30 minutes. It's 2:06 in the morning. All right. 1 hour later. I got 1 hour of sleep. But yeah, it's a fresh day, 5 a.m. in the morning. Running on like an hour of sleep, if that. We're like halfway there. Yeah, we're like halfway there. A little closer than halfway. There's Florence, down there's Rome. Just got off the bus, landed in Rome. We're about to get onto the plane. Yeah, this is for you, Ben Sokol. What's that smell? ATL. ATLL. Wow. T-minus, what, 12 hours to this thing? Obsolete, baby. Back once we hit the USA, we burn in the mask. No longer needed. It's gonna be a great day.
You know what I feel like? I'm gonna bring it back. I feel like a beast. I feel like a beast.
Maddie Landry, you still have no idea I'm here. It's like 6:09 on April 10th. You think my phone is at the Apple Store once again, and you're at Caroline's right now. So it's 7:07. Maddie still has no idea I'm here. It's my first time driving in 4 months. First time driving a car in 4 months. Tell you what, I feel like I'm getting out of prison. All right, so I just showered, put on some cologne, Put on some chapstick. We're headed over to her house right now. All right, so I just parked my car right back there. Her house is down around this corner. The plan is to set this camera up right here, knock on the door, like do a ding dong dish, have her come outside, and I'll be sitting right here and she'll just see me there. Make sure the camera.
No way. How are you here? What? How are you here?
Been up for what?
How are you here? How are you here? Oh my god.
We got two cameras rolling. We got this one rolling. We got that one rolling.
Oh my god. Oh my god. How are you here? Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up.
Don't throw up.
Password. I'm not actually gonna throw up. I can't.